Hello everyone. Today's topic is about animals. What are some animals' backbones? There are many kinds of animals. Some animals have backbones. Bones give animals shape. Bones help animals move. Bones help animals stay safe. Animals with backbones. Mammals have backbones. Some mammals have fur, some mammals have hair. Young mammals get milk from the mother. Birds have backbone. Birds have feathers. Birds have wings. Baby birds comes from eggs. Fish have backbones. Fish live in the water. Most fish have scales. Fish have fins. Fins help fish swim. Most fish come from eggs. Reptiles have backbones. Reptiles also have scales. Scales help reptiles stay safe. Some reptiles come from eggs. Snakes are reptiles. Amphibians have backbones. Amphibians can live on land. They can also live in water. Amphibians have wet skin. This skin is smooth. Amphibians comes from eggs. Frogs are amphibians. What are some ways mammals adapted? Mammals live in many different places. Mammals are adapted to where they live. The deer changes color in the wind. Then the deer is hard to see. This is called camouflage. Camouflage helps keep this animal safe. Animals act in different ways. Chipmunks store food in winter. They sleep in the winter. When they wake up, they eat food they save. What are some ways birds are adapted? Birds live in many different places. Birds are adapted to where they live. This bird is hard to see in where they live. This bird is hard to see in the forest. It uses camouflage to stay safe. Camouflage helps it hide from other animals. Penguins live where it is cold. They have feathers to keep them warm. Penguins do not fly. They use their wings to swim. What are some ways fish are adapted? Fish live in water. Fish have gills. Gills help fish get oxygen from the water. These catfish swim in deep, dark water. Long feathers help catfish find food. This fish can protect itself. The fish can make itself big. This gets away with other animals. The fish changes shape to stay safe. What are some ways reptiles are adapted? Reptiles live in many different places. Reptiles are cold when it is cold. Reptiles are warm when it is warm. Reptiles move fast when they are warm. This animal lives where it is hot. It has light skin. Light skin helps it cool. Snakes do not chew on the food. Snakes can open their mouth very wide. Some snakes swallow their food whole. What are some ways amphibians are adapted? Amphibians live in many different places. First, they live in water, then they live on wet land. Their smooth, wet skins helps them live in both places. Toads live on land. They dig into the ground to stay cool. Toads look for food at night. What are some animals without backbones? Do you know about animals with backbones? Other group of animals do not have backbones. Most animals are in this group. Insects do not have backbones. Insects have 3 body parts and 6 legs. A tentacle helps insects feel, smell, hear, and taste. This insect is called walking stick. It's hard to see when it's near plants. Camouflage helps it stay safe. Other animals without backbones. This octopus does not have a backbone. It lives in the ocean. It can see well in the water. This helps it find food. Spiders do not have backbones. Spiders have 8 legs. Spiders make webs. Each insects get into the web. Spiders eat insects. Animals live in many places. Some animals have backbones. Some animals do not have backbones. All animals are adapted to the places where they live. Glossary. Amphibians mean an animal with backbones and smooth, wet skin that lives on land in water. Birds, an animal with a backbone, feathers, wings, and that hatches from an egg. Camouflage means a color or shape that makes an animal hard to see. Fish mean an animal with a backbone, scales, and fins that live in the water. Gills mean a body part that helps fish get oxygen from water. Insects mean an animal with 3 body parts and 6 legs that do not have a backbone. Mammals means an animal with a backbone that has hairs or fur and gets milk from its mother. Reptile means an animal with backbones and scales that hatches from an egg. So we have read a book about animal. We will continue to read another book in another time. Goodbye.